Good morning everyone. Today I'm making this video to discuss about the outcome based project or the work which we do. How do we achieve the results, very good results, whatever we do. So currently it's not about solo, right? It's all about teamwork, working together, working collaboratively, and there are so many people who contribute to whatever we do. So I was discussing this with one of my friend. What is the difference between the work culture and the environment or the dedication between the people in the developed countries, the highly developed countries, or the other countries? What differences we see in the people? So a few things came in the discussion. I would like to share those things. First thing what we felt is the dedication. Whatever we do, irrespective of the job we are doing, irrespective of the level of the job, in the sense how much the job is valued in the society in terms of the earning or whatever aspects it might be, how do we dedicate ourselves with the work, like meeting the timelines, meeting the quality of the work we do, and dedicated to upgrade ourselves, upgrade our work more and more. And it means like completely you are dedicated towards your job and your project. The first is the dedication, and second, it came to us about hard work. See, people say there is something called smart work. Yes, there is smart work, but without hard work there is no smart work. In your hard work you have to be smart in your ideas, in your creativity, in your actions, in your plans, in your approach towards the work. It has to be smart. Nothing like saving the time. No, just we save the time by smart work and let us be very free after that. It's not like. The hard work is something, even it is paining, it is raining, it is so frustrating. If there is a frustrated client and there is a frustrated incidents happening in your work, how are you putting your effort to make sure that you are persevering to complete the task and putting your complete time, money, your concentration and your dedication and your complete focus towards whatever we are doing. It means like how much you are able to work hard for the task which you are doing. Work hard in the sense, as I told you, with smart work. Fine. Now coming to the third part, it's about belongingness. This is a very, very important aspect. Why are we doing the things we are doing? You are developing a product, or you are developing a software, you are developing a food product, or you are developing a vehicle, or you are developing an education program, or you are developing some mechanical tool in your company, or you are teaching, or you are training. Why are you doing it? There are components like you earn money, you earn whatever name for your organization, for whatever it is, but why you are working? That is the belongingness. I am working for my nation, I am working for my people, I am working for the community, I am working for the society, I am working for the organization. That belongingness will push you, whatever might come, the event, situations, in terms of your office, in terms of your health, or in terms of your mental state. You will be always ready to work, because you are not just for a project, you are for a higher goal, a higher purpose, because you belong somewhere and you want to do something to that organization or say to the nation. And I think that's belongingness will keep you pushing towards whatever you are doing, and it keeps you motivated intrinsically, that is internally. So I think this is somewhere we have to bring from childhood in our children, from the school itself. Suppose an example, make them dedicated towards the studies, toward their syllabus, or the projects, or the assessments which they do in school. Make them dedicated in the work, make them transparent, responsible, have dedication in them. I mean, build dedication in them. And second is, let them work hard, let them play hard, work hard, do hard work with positive spirit. Build this environment in school and college and in the companies. And the third is, have belongingness, have a greater vision, and for that vision have mission, for that mission have some goals, for that goals have some objectives. Why are you doing, what are you doing, what is the timeline when you want to achieve those things, and what are the hurdles, the bottlenecks you might be facing to achieve that. Once you start working, you get all these things. I think somewhere what we felt is it should start from school and the college, where this environment should be built in such a way that children will be able to understand these core components when they get started in a organization, being a contributors in their own respective organizations. So I think it's a big responsibility for the parents and for the teachers and the school managements, then the entire community and the society as a country. We have to see how can we develop these kind of programs, support systems where children are guided and motivated towards these parameters. So all said and done, let's conclude the video. So let's have dedication in our children, second hardworking, and the third is belongingness. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.